Hi, I'm back again. Me, Freddy Namaban from Moser channel. This edition, I'd like to show you, to explain you about the topic called as expressing wish using second conditional sentence. Wish. Wish is a group of words that expresses our unreal desire or want. We use wish when we want something but we do not think it is possible. Wish goes with helping verbs such as would, could, or past tense forms of other verbs. So when we talk about wish, we talk about unreal desire, unreal want, or it can be said it can't be done. It can't be done because why? Certain reasons do not fulfill. So that's why the wish is not something real. Only our wish. It's only in our dream. That's about wish. So, wish using second conditional sentence. Second conditional sentence. Okay, what's the parts of wish or elements of wish? The parts of or elements of wish consist of three. The first is language features. The second is generic structure. And the third is the social functions. Okay, let's take a look. What does it mean by features? Language features means all things dealing with the language itself. For example, here, language features of wish consist of saying or utterances, intonation, word stress. Yeah, once again, saying or utterances, intonations, and word stress. Okay, that's the part of language features. Now, what about the generic structure? So the generic structure of wish comprises of using pronoun I. Yes, using pronoun I. Yeah, using pronoun I. And then the second one is using the word wish. Yeah, using the word wish. And then the third, using conditional sentence type 2. Yeah, using conditional sentence type 2 or present unreal. And using if clause and main clause. Yeah, using if clause and main clause. And last but not least, using past tense. Yeah, using past tense. That's all the elements of wish. Yeah. Okay. And number three of the elements is the social functions. The social functions. What is the social functions? What is the social functions of wish? The social function is to keep good interpersonal relationship with teachers, students, and others. And to keep good interpersonal relationship with teachers, students, and others. Okay, now let's see the examples here. The examples of wish. Okay, example number 1. I wish I found her address. I wish I found her address. If I found her address, I would send her an invitation card. If I found her address, I would send her an invitation card. Now, let's take a look. The fact. The fact of both sentences. The fact of both sentences is the same. Either I don't find her address. I don't find her address. So the fact is the subject I do not find her someone's address, the person address. Yeah. So from the sentence I wish I found her address, If I found her address, I would send her an invitation card. The fact of both sentences, once again, is the same. That is, I don't find her address. Yeah? I don't find her address. That's a fact. So that's why it is unreal. The present unreal. This is what we call present unreal. Okay, look at example number 2. I wish I was there. I wish I was there. If I was there, I could help you. If I was there, I could help you. What's the fact? What is the fact? Fact is I am not there. Yeah, I am not there. Okay, I am not there. So that's why I cannot help the person. I cannot help him or her. Because why? I am not there. I was here. So I'm here. Yeah. I'm not there. I was here. So that's why I cannot help you. So that's the fact of the sentences. Yeah. I wish I was there. If I was there, I could help you. So in fact, I'm here. I was not there. So that's why I cannot help him or her. So look at examples number 3. I wish I had a lot of money. I wish I had a lot of money. If I had a lot of money, I wouldn't stay here. If I had a lot of money, I wouldn't stay here. What's the fact? I don't have a lot of money. That's the fact. I don't have a lot of money. That's a fact. So that's why I still stay here. Yeah, that's a fact. Okay, that's the explanation. Look at examples number 4. Okay, if from examples number 1 until 3, I put the main clause at the beginning. Yeah, so sorry, not the main clause, the if clause at the beginning. Yeah, the if clause at the beginning, as you can see here. Look at my pointer. If I found her address, I would send her an invitation card. Okay, that if I was there, I could help you. Okay, from the first 3 examples, I put if clause at the beginning. Now the 4th examples, I put the main clause at the beginning. So it can be both ways. Yeah, I mean, if can be put at the beginning or at the end, and vice versa. Okay, look at number 4. I would send her an invitation card if I found her address. I would send her an invitation card if I found her address. Okay, I can also change example number 2. Yeah, I could help you if I was there. I could help you if I was there. So that's it. That's about the placements of the if clause and then clause. Okay, now we continue to the next example. Okay, look at the picture and the examples. What is the man thinking? Yeah. Okay. He thought something. Yeah. So he said that I wish I could fly like a bird. I wish I could fly like a bird. If I could fly like a bird, I would be happy flying anywhere I want. If I could fly like a bird, I would be happy flying anywhere I want. Yeah, once again, if I could fly like a bird, I would be happy flying anywhere I want. So what's the fact? What is the fact? Of course, the fact is I don't have any wing. I'm not a bird because I'm a man. Yeah, I'm a man. That's only dreaming. Yeah, it's only our imaginations, something unreal. So that's the fact. Yeah, that's the fact. That's the fact. Yeah, that's the fact. Okay. Next, unexplanations. Yeah, unexplanations about An explanations about generic structure and language features. Okay, an explanations about generic structure and language feature. Okay, from the example. Okay, let me explain you. I wish I could fly. Yeah, I wish. Okay, I wish I could fly like a bird. Okay, fly like a bird. Okay, and then if I could fly like a bird, I would be happy flying anywhere I want. It is called as language features. Why it is called as language features? If you still remember, language feature consists of word stress, word stress, saying or utterances, and that's saying or utterances, and then intonations. Okay, I put word stress and also intonations for the phrase fly like a bird. That's the word stress or intonation. I put special intonation, and stress for the phrase. I wish I could fly like a bird. If I could fly like a bird, I would be happy flying anywhere I want. So fly like a bird and flying anywhere I want. That's I give special intonations and word stress. That's the language features. Okay. Next we carry on to generic structure. Okay. As you pay attention to my slide, I highlighted some words with color. So that they have meaning. I. It is called as generic structure because, as I explained before, the part of generic structure is pronoun I, pronoun I, and wish. Okay, wish, could, would, in this case, part of the second conditional, past tense, would. And then if close, you see, look at my pointer. I could fly like a bird. That's if close, If close. If I could fly like a bird, and then I would be happy flying anywhere I want. That's main close. I would be happy flying anywhere I want. Okay. That's main close. Okay. That's the explanation. So how about the social functions? Once again, it's to keep good interpersonal relationship with teacher and others. That's the social function. Okay, and then we continue. Okay. Later on, I'm going to show you a video about fish. Okay. Now look at the affirmative test. Okay, please answer it. Answer it. Okay, answer it on my YouTube column. On my YouTube column or YouTube comment later on. Okay. The questions: use wish with an appropriate verb. Use wish with an appropriate verb. I wish I. Is the answer. Can go to Italy. Could go to Italy last year. Can go into Italy last year. Could went to Italy last year. Which one? Choose. And formative test number 2. I wish politicians blah blah. Is the answer. I can tell the truth. Could tell the truth. Can tell the truth. Could might tell the truth. Which one you choose? Okay. Formative number 3. I wish I would. Is the answer. I would travel to Africa. I would travel to Africa next year. I will travel to Africa next year. Could travel to Africa last year. Can travel to Africa next year. Give your answer on my. Please give your answer on my YouTube comments. Okay. Next. This is my references. guru, video of item, blah, manager, teacher, okay. That's all about my presentation.